Every year, World Organ Transplant Day marks a simple truth. A single donated organ can give someone their life back. But donated organs alone have never been enough to meet the need. Around the world, thousands remain on transplant waitlists. Too few organs arrive in time, and for some patients, time runs out. So science asked a different question. What if the donor didn't have to be human? Pig organs are remarkably close to human ones in size and function. But the human immune system disagrees, instantly. Within minutes, sugar molecules on pig cells trigger hyperacute rejection and catastrophic clotting. Gene editing rewrites that outcome, removing the antigens that trigger rejection, inactivating retroviruses hidden in the pig genome, inserting human genes that regulate clotting and complement. Early compassionate use organs carried around 10 edits. The latest trial stage kidneys carried dozens more, nearly 70. The result: organs the human body no longer immediately attacks, vascular reperfusion that stabilizes cleanly after transplant, and a meaningful reduction in the microvascular rejection that used to end these procedures within hours. What began as last resort compassionate cases, a handful of patients closely watched, has become FDA-cleared clinical trials, a structured, regulated path forward, not just a proof of concept. It won't replace human donation, but for patients running out of time, it's the first real alternative science has offered in decades. The science is here. The trials have begun.
Subscribe to The Right Doctors on YouTube, India's leading AI native medical knowledge platform.